Welcome to this brief meditation on gentle renewal. Find a quiet space and settle into comfort. You can close your eyes softly or let your gaze fall gently before you. Take a slow, nurturing breath. Inhale, inviting calmness. Exhale, releasing tension. Keep breathing and listen to these words. I give myself permission to heal. Let the words ripple through you, a gentle invitation to honor your journey. With each breath, feel your body soften, shedding the emotional weight you've carried. Notice your heart, its steady rhythm, its quiet resilience. Acknowledge that every wound, every sorrow has shaped the wisdom within you. Let your breath sweep through like a soft breeze, carrying away old pain, making room for hope. Affirm, I welcome each feeling, knowing that healing begins when I allow it to. Picture emotions arriving and passing, each one bearing a lesson, each one deserving compassion. Trust yourself to feel, to release, and to renew. As you continue, imagine gentle light blooming within you, warm, golden, unwavering. This light is your inner kindness, your strength, your willingness to begin again. Allow it to expand, filling every corner of your being. Affirm, I am worthy of healing, and I choose to move forward. See yourself standing at the threshold of possibility, rooted in courage, reaching for joy. Offer yourself patience, grace, and forgiveness. Take one more deep breath, inhaling peace, and this time exhaling gratitude. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Notice the softness in your body, the quiet hope in your heart. You have given yourself permission to heal. Carry this gentle truth with you, knowing that each day is an opportunity for renewal. You are resilient, you are growing, and you are enough. Namaste.